I got a good one here. Yeah, I finally got one.
Hello everyone, thank you all for tuning in to the channel. We're just getting back from the Holston River. My brother-in-law Larry and I went down and fished with the guys from the Big Bait Posse, Mike Pendleton, Mike Kinnick, and Scott Roberts. Today's video is going to feature a lot of Larry. The video probably end up being all of Larry. In the first hour and a half, I had 7 or 8 fish on a jerk bait. But as we got further along in this float, and if you guys know the Holston area, it flows into Lake Cherokee, and the closer we got to the lake, the worse the grass got. So it made it really hard to keep throwing that jerk bait. So I switched up, and I really didn't catch many more fish after that first couple hours. But it was kind of opposite for Larry. He started slow, and then he figured out what was working for him. So he ended up, on this video, you'll see him throwing a Baby Bullshad and a black and gold color. So he had a good day. But now Mike and Scott and Mike, those guys just had an epic day. They were throwing a bait. I won't tell you what it was. Larry was trying to mimic it with his Baby Bullshad, but it wasn't the same. And those guys caught 45, 50 fish a piece. So Mike's going to drop a video on that this week. So make sure you check that out, find out what bait they were throwing. But it was just an awesome day for them fishing. It was a good day for all of us. I'm not going to complain about it at all. I hope y'all enjoy this one. And check out Larry catching some smallmouth. Hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Thanks.
Oh, God. I had a monster just hit it. I can't get him in the boat. I've had about 12 knock this bait out of the water, and that never hit it. That's probably an 18-incher. I think they like this gold and orange color. They didn't like the white one. I've had about 12 bites since I seen you up there, but I ain't got none of them in the boat. They're hitting it though. It's like it ain't got no hooks on it. Oh, I got it, man. Little baby. That little baby. That sucks. I need a big one. Oh God, I got a good nail. I hooked up on a good one here, I think. You see it jump?
Take your time.
It's only about 14. I got a good one here. Yeah, I finally got one. I ain't got it in the boat yet, but it's a good one. Oh man, it's around the ankle. It ain't that good, but it's decent. It's the best one I got in the boat today. It looked bigger at first. How big? It might be 16. No. 14. That's the biggest one I've got in today. I've seen some big ones.